Okay, if you clicked on this video, that probably means that you're looking for more information and you want to learn more about the ManyChat platform. ManyChat is absolutely amazing, and I have become obsessed with it when it comes to my Instagram strategy, my Facebook strategy, specifically when it comes to using AI to automate a lot of that process. And so today I want to show you a really cool new feature called Say Hello to New Followers feature, specifically on Instagram. And so I'm going to walk you through exactly from beginning to end how to set it up, and it's like 3 or 4 different steps. And so it's very, very simple. I would suggest you follow along with me here, because once you get it, then you'll be able to use it over and over. You'll be able to substitute different things when you have updates or whatever it may be when it comes to your business, when it comes to your personal brand, whatever that may look like. Before we dive in, there's 2 really important things that I want to mention. There's a right way to do this and there's a wrong way to do this. The right way to do this is to provide value and say thank you for following, right? So when you have a new person follow, you want to say thanks for following and being a part of what I'm building, being a part of my community. And then gift them something of value so that they're like, wow, I just followed this person because I was interested in another piece of content, or somebody referred you to them and they want to follow more about what you're doing, your services, your products, whatever it may be. The wrong way to do it is asking something right off the bat. And so let's say you're a real estate agent in Cincinnati, Ohio, and somebody follows you. You don't want your ManyChat automation to look like, hey, thanks for following me. Are you looking to buy or sell in the Cincinnati, Ohio market? Right? That's really salesy right off the bat, and we don't want to scare people away by selling to them right off the bat. So what I would suggest you do is actually give them something of value. So for example, the example that I'll show you today is when somebody follows me, I say, thank you for being a part of my community. I really appreciate you being here and I'm excited to connect more. Oh, by the way, I'm going to gift you 4 or 5 of my most favorite AI prompts, regardless of what industry that you're in, right? Using ChatGPT. Or it may be like, here's 50 of my most favorite viral video hooks that you can start using regardless of what industry you're in, right? That'd be valuable for anybody building a personal brand, anybody growing their business, whatever it may look like, right? So that is something that I would suggest. Don't sell right off the bat, give value right off the bat and say thank you for following, and you can automate that process by doing what I'm about to show you. So once you log into your Instagram account, you will see all the different ways that you can automate things through Instagram using ManyChat. So the one that we're going to focus on today is say hi to new followers. So anytime somebody follows you, they get a direct message plus something of value. The other ones that you can use are auto DM links from comments. So a lot of times, in a really great strategy in order to have a good strong call to action is if you're going to be talking about, let's say, call to actions, and you want to give something of value for people who comment and engage with your post on Instagram. A lot of times you'll see, especially with recipes and different things like that, you'll see comment the word recipe and I will send you the recipe of this spaghetti that I just made. And so this is where you can automate that. ManyChat will automatically reply to their comment and send them a direct message. So that's how you can do that. But let's stay focused on say hi to new followers. If I wanted to start this process, I would just click say hi to new followers. Right here is what they will get, right? So when you go to create this, again, you're not asking for anything, you're not selling to them, you're just giving them something of value. I also wanted to mention up here at the top, when someone new follows you after 1 minute, or after 5 minutes, or after 10 minutes, this is where you would select that. I would either go no delay immediately. That's a little robot-y, in my opinion. I want to make it somewhat human feeling to them. So I'm going to go after 30 seconds. I'm going to hit save. And then from there, I'm going to create my message. And this one seems fine to me. Hey there, thanks for following me. Now that you're part of the crew, I'd love to share something special as a thank you. Want to check it out? I'm going to just remove these stars. And then here is where they will select over here, yes, send it over. To add what you want to send them, it'll be down here. So I'm going to hit add a link. And I'm going to go over to my website. And I'm going to select this one here. So this is on my website, 50 viral video hooks, regardless of what industry you work in. Here's 50 different hooks. I'm just going to copy the browser to that. I'm going to paste it into this add a link, and then I'm going to say viral video hooks. Oops. And I'm going to hit save, and I'm going to say click link below. This is where a DM with a link will pop up here, and you can see it. Click link below. They already said that they wanted it, so we send it over. Click link below. They're going to click this, which is the viral video hooks, right? All this is to say thank you and to provide something of value in return for them following you. Literally, that's it, guys. So once you're there, you're done. In order to activate this and in order for it to go live and start working for you, all you do is go over to the top right here and hit go live. And then it's all done. And then you'll receive a congratulations on setting up your first automation, and you're done. And then this is where you will see the data. You'll see how many sends it has done, how many clicks, all of that. So that's how you set it up. Again, the two main things are, number one, do not be salesy right off the bat or you're going to turn that new follower off immediately. I think we all can understand that. The right way to do it is say, hey, thanks for being a part of the community and here's something of value. Thanks for following me, and stay tuned because I'm going to have a lot more content coming out. So that's definitely something that I would look into. That's exactly how you do it from beginning to end. So comment what your favorite part of that is, and comment if you want me to go through a tutorial on how to do any of the other features that ManyChat has to offer. And do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button before you leave, and stay tuned for the next video.